My name is CM De La Vega, and the past 6 years, I've been working for the NFL as a producer, editor, and motion graphic artist. Welcome to my best NFL highlight videos of the 2020 season. If you're into sports and into editing, motion graphics, and visual effects, this channel is for you. Drop me a comment and let me know which of these videos are your favorite so I can break it down into a future tutorial. My hope is that through these videos, they will spark ideas and provide you the inspiration you need to create your very own football highlights. And remember, amigos, that life is truly a gift. Make it count.
Herbert gonna go for it all. Caught for the touchdown. And Herbert delivered that with plenty of zip.
He's get fun to watch or what?
Justin Herbert, welcome to the NFL.
Showing off that big arm. Herbert, the rookie, delivers again.
On the rise and we ain't gonna drop on the grind. It's our time. Just watch.
If I had a genie, you know all the good things would happen.
Yeah. Hey, way too fast. I gotta go. I'm in the zone. Foot on the gas.
Diggs with a stroke of genius.
I gotta go. I'm in the zone.
He throws the ball 100 yards, and I'm right at
I'm in the end zone. Where did he go? You way too slow.
Stefon Diggs was wide open.
Marvelous catch in traffic.
I take pride in running routes. I take pride in getting open.
Right on the money by Tom Brady. It's been Tom Brady. Brady delivers a dime. What a great grab by Gronk. Holy guacamole. Get it to the big guy, and he delivers. Caught ball, touchdown, Chris Godwin. What a remarkable catch by Godwin. Mike said, "Give me the ball, Tom Brady." The money catch by Mike Evans. Fire the cannons.
Believe that this is our moment. Ain't no better time to be great than today. That's a good ass hit, though. Shift the Rose Bowl right parade. Shift.
That was actually pretty sweet. Hit me! I gotta hit me! Let's go! Congrats, big guy! That's awesome, coach. Let's put it down. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's exactly what Hopkins is about. He makes a one-handed catch.
Oh my goodness! Did he catch that? That's the touchdown catch of the year.
Hopkins with a one-handed grab. Toe tapper, yes!
D-Hop brought it down. Touchdown! You can't cover Duke.
Deandre Hopkins caught it with 1 second left. I can't believe it.
You can revive Fitzmagic.
He's a magician. He's going to run with it.
Fitzpatrick puts it right on the money.
Oh, this is magic.
He's feeling it, man.
Minshew Mania is running wild. Uncle Rico never made a play like that. He's got more moxie right now.
Okay, amigos, the following videos contain commercial tracks. I don't have the permission to put it on YouTube. So what I'm gonna do is strip the music and put this generic music over it. Just sit back and enjoy.